All right, here we are. We are on Old Cypress. It's a very quiet little street too. You have the cul-de-sac right there. Neighbors over there were very nice. Very pretty landscaping. Here we go. Walk in, you have this little foyer area here. Really cool floor plan though. So right when you walk in, you have the two other rooms over here to your left, and the laundry and the bathroom. We'll go there in a minute. Over here you have, when you walk in, entry to the kitchen here. And then you have the whole living room here. The flooring actually looks kind of nice. I mean, compared to the photos, they look so dark. This flooring looks very neutral, so I feel like, it actually looks in pretty good shape and it looks pretty neutral. So I feel like the photos showed it being darker. But this is, I think their snowbird home. I think they're out of state or something because they don't live here full time. So that's kind of nice. So you have great room with the two entrances, which is so nice. Then you have kitchen. These little windows here are really cute. I love these little sneak windows. So you have dinette or kitchenette space. You have official dining room over there. Granite, I think these are granite countertops. They look like they're in good shape. You can even just update these knobs if you want. If you want it to be like a little bit more updated. Cabinets seem like they're in good shape. Clean. Even if you just updated these knobs, I think that would look really, really great. So it looks like they've replaced the refrigerator. Stainless steel. The appliances, the dishwasher and the stove and the microwave look like they're maybe original. But lots of cabinet space. Even this cute little window here I thought was adorable. So you have, they're actually not in bad shape. It's just that they're white, if you guys care about white for stainless steel. Cabinets seem like they're, in good shape. And then you have a pantry right here. Big, deep. It's actually pretty deep too. Pantry. Okay. And then There's a separate set of doors here for the little kitchenette area that you can eat breakfast or drink coffee right there. Here, we'll go to the pool because that's the best part. That view is just so beautiful. Literally, my house is right there. But let's go to the pool area here. Little kitchenettes, little, oh, they even have privacy rollers for shade down this side. Really nice view. Right now there's even a heron back there. The lanai could probably use some power washing in my opinion. Just from, I think, you know, because it's just been like probably a second home or something. But the pool actually looks like in pretty decent shape. I'm not a professional, but it doesn't look that bad. The view here is just so nice. It's so beautiful. And it's really quiet. Okay. There's even, oh, oops, sorry, there's a bug. There's even a separate door off your master bedroom that leads to, I know that's an upgrade with Neil. I'll show you that in a minute. Master. The windows in here are so pretty. It's like such huge window. So like when you wake up, literally that's what you see is the pool and the lake. I don't know if you see that. Like you just have that in the morning, which is nice. Then you have that door to the lanai too. Bathroom, stand-up shower. Tile even seems like it's in good shape actually. You have a linen closet in there, and then you have a walk-in closet. Looks like they're clearing out stuff. Big walk-in closet here. And then another kind of deeper closet here for the mail. But it's pretty deep actually. Okay. Then walk to the other end. split floor plan. So this room is kind of nice because it is one of the bedrooms, but it's totally like an office. So this could be used for your office. They have it set up as an office right now. Looks like there's a closet in here, and then there's a pocket door. Oops, a pocket door that pulls out. Kind of nice. And then that's one of the other second bedroom. This is a third bedroom, which is pretty decent size. They have 2 twins set up in here, but you can easily do even a queen in here. And then you have your other full bath in here. Laundry. Garage. They did put in the MLS notes that there is this that they're going to have repaired, that they're having someone work on it right now. I guess they didn't know because they're out of state. They didn't know that that was there until they had a neighbor come over and do some stuff for them. So they're going to have that repaired. And that's it. Beautiful home. Love the view. The view is just so pretty. All right, bye guys. Talk to you soon.